If you're trying to go from 3-0 to 4-0, you're gonna wanna watch this. I wish I knew this years ago. It would have saved me a lot of time. The first tip is getting comfortable with dinking. You know, at first, you might start to get a little power and you feel a little confident, but then you go to a higher level and you're gonna want control. You're gonna want to slow it down. You're gonna want to dink more. And at that 4 level, you need to learn how to dink. A lot of players, when, you know, they'll have a big backswing. You know, you want to keep everything compact. So if they speed it up, you're ready for that ball. The main thing is just keep it simple. It doesn't need to be complicated. Once you start try to pick too much topspin or slicing it, you're gonna pop up the ball, and then it's gonna give them more of a shot to just smack it down. And the second thing is learning how to drop. When you're returning and they're hitting it back to you, if they hit it low, get to that ball and drop it to the kitchen and run up to that line and get ready. A lot of 3-0s, they'll hit the ball and they'll stay back there. Or they'll drive the ball if it's very low and they hit into the net. If they're returning the ball low, you're gonna wanna drop it and get to the kitchen. It's all about whoever gets to the kitchen for the most part. Whoever gets to the kitchen and controls that line wins the game. If the ball is shoulder height, you're going to want to crush that ball. Now, a lot of players, just kind of like the dinking, you don't want to go too far back, right? You want to be compact, and if you hit the ball, that's like 6 inches in front of you. So if they pop the ball up, you want to crush it. Keep everything compact, right? And what you're going to realize at the higher level is when you hit that ball back, what I used to do was I used to do big swings because my power would win the point, and I'll come back and I wouldn't be in that ready position. So what you want to do is always expect the ball to come back. Because if you're playing with 3-0s and 3-5s, the ball doesn't come back right. But you play at that higher level and you're like, wait, that shot's not working. Because you always have to prepare for that ball to come back. So that's why keeping it compact, getting ready for the next shot. So the 3 tips to get you to that 4-0 level is get comfortable in the kitchen, have good consistent dinks, not a big swing, just very compact, and stay in it. Stay in it as long as you can. If you're returning the ball and they hit it low, drop it to the kitchen, run up to that kitchen and get ready. If they return the ball and it's high, that's your option to drive the ball. And if you want, you can reset that ball neck. And lastly, if it's shoulder height, hit it in front of you 6 inches, keep it compact and get ready for that next shot. If you incorporate these 3 tips, it's going to help you elevate your game. Your friends are going to realize, they're going to be like, what's going on with you? Because you're working smarter on the court. You know where to move. You feel more comfortable at the kitchen line. You're dropping your shots. Your team is moving up to that line. You're getting comfortable. You're hitting the right shots. You're putting things away. You're getting ready for that next shot. So try this out. I think you're going to enjoy it.